Hey guys, it's Brooke with the Vintage Gardener. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to do a quick cooking video because I'm hungry. I've been working from home. Today got a little hectic, so it is now 9:34. I'm finally finished. So I know I mentioned in another video, produce is hard to come by. I have been to the stores a number of times and a lot of stuff was sold out. The other day I went to Whole Foods and I was so excited because they actually have produce. Now I'm sure a lot of that, well, actually, they also had meat too because I got some salmon. But I think a lot of that is because, let's face it, Whole Foods is probably one of the most expensive grocery stores around. And so, you know, most people's budgets can afford Wegmans, which is surprisingly cheaper than ShopRite. It really is. And ShopRite and that sort of thing. Whole Foods is kind of last. But they had some produce, so I went a little crazy. I got some Brussels sprouts and avocado. 6 to be precise. I don't know what I was thinking. I mean, really, what am I going to do with 6 avocado? So anyway, they're kind of soft and ripe. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a quick recipe because I need some dinner. And so I'm going to make some avocado toast because I love avocado toast. And I'll make enough so that I can store for the next couple days. And what I don't use, I'll just freeze. So I'm going to keep it really simple because I've got like 39 minutes left for the battery on this. Okay guys, here's my setup. So there's my bowl. It's a Peter Rabbit bowl I got from Williams-Sonoma. Here's my avocados, my lime juice, salt, pepper. I'm going to have some balsamic vinaigrette, some goat's cheese, Smiles, and some homemade bread that I did in my machine. So first thing first, I'm going to cut the avocado in half. Okay, so I halved all of my avocados. As you can see, they are super ripe. Ready to go. I'm glad I didn't wait on these babies any longer, or else I would have had a mess on my hand. So I'm just going to scoop them out into the bowl. I don't know about you, but I used to not like avocado. And it all stemmed from the fact that my grandfather told me that avocado was a fruit. And it was when I was younger, so every time I heard the word fruit, of course, I always associated it with being sweet. And so he gave me an avocado, and he was Dominican, and he ate it with, like, I guess, kind of more savory. And yeah. That kind of, like, I don't think I tried avocado again until I was in college because that's how badly I was traumatized by the experience. And of course my grandfather thought it was very entertaining the way I reacted when I tasted it for the first time. So yes, I get it. Technically it's a fruit still. I wouldn't tell a child that. Okay, so I'm finished with the avocado, and hopefully you can see it. Certain parts are really overripe. It ripens a lot more quickly than I thought it was. So now I'm going to just mash all of this together, and I'm just going to use, actually first off, let me add some lime juice so the rest of it doesn't oxidize and turn brown. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. It's coming together nicely. I'm gonna add a little bit. I don't mind the chunks though. So I'm taste it and make sure it's got enough lime in it. Yeah, I think the lime is good. So I'm going to add a little salt, not a lot. I'm one of the people who tends to salt to taste. I just kind of taste it as I go. So I have no idea how much you might want to actually add to this. In case you're wondering, I am using different fingers when I do that, okay? So, I live by myself, so nobody else is eating it. Okay. Okay, let me see. Okay, and that is about it. So let me add some pepper, because I love pepper. Okay, I'm gonna get some of my homemade bread that I made with my Breville machine. I think I posted a video of that earlier. This is oatmeal bread. So I'll make myself 2 slices of toast. Okay, so I will come back when the bread is finished toasting. Put some fresh crumbled ghost cheese on here. Some balsamic vinaigrette. Okay, and that's that. So, that's so good. It's great dinner for late at night. Not too fattening. So, hope you guys are enjoying your evening. You're staying healthy and safe, and I will see you guys in the next video.